Step 1. Wrap the ends of the floss around your middle fingers to hold it in place. Step 2. Hold the floss between your thumbs and index fingers. Step 3. Slide the middle of the floss between two of your teeth. Step 4. Move the floss up and down and back and forth to clear away all of the plaque and debris. Step 5. Repeat with all of your teeth. Step 6. Rinse your mouth out with water or mouthwash. Step 7. Repeat daily. To brush your teeth properly, use a light bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Start brushing by placing your toothbrush on your front teeth at a 45-degree angle. Then brush each tooth in a circular motion for 3 to 5 seconds. Once you've finished brushing your front teeth, move on to your molars. Then brush the back of your teeth. Finally, softly brush your tongue to get rid of bad breath and plaque. It should take you about 2 to 3 minutes to brush your whole mouth. Brushing for 2 minutes twice a day helps to remove plaque and keep your teeth healthy for years to come.